Hello friends, this is Durga from ITVersity, and today we are glad to announce forums under discuss.itversity.com. This is primarily for you to discuss about your issues and get the solutions while learning through our content. We have started ITVersity 3-4 years back as a YouTube channel, and we started with a lot of big data content, and also we have created content on other topics also. Even though we have started introducing some products, we still want to continue our legacy of creating free content, and we want to notify you as and when the new content is created. And for that, on top of this discuss.itversity.com, where you can raise the forums, we also created groups. Okay, you can join this group and you will be notified through this group whenever new sessions or new free workshops are scheduled. Okay, so that you do not miss these sessions. On top of this, we will also take your opinion before running the free workshops or sessions. So make sure you join this group called Free Live Big Data. I will put this as part of the description so that you have idea about this group and you can join this. To join this group, it is required for you to sign up to discuss.itversity.com. Let me walk you through about how you can actually sign up to discuss.itversity.com. Here I am launching another browser called Chrome, and you can go to discuss.itversity.com and you will see sign up and login buttons here. For the first time, you can click on sign up and give your email ID, username, name, password, or you can also use social authentication such as Google, Facebook, etc. and you can sign up. Once you sign up, you can use login. And either you can give the username or password which are created locally, or you can also use the social authentication. Okay, and then you should be able to create topics and all those things. Once you sign up to the discuss.itversity.com, if you want to get the notifications, you can also join this free live big data. And also, if you want to raise any topic on any issue, you can click on new topic here. Make sure you have categorized the issue appropriately and then create the topic. For example, if you also have access to our labs and if there is any technical issue, you can choose Big Data Labs category and you can actually type the issue along with the title. If it is a Spark related issue, as Spark is Big Data skill, there is a subcategory called Apache Spark under Big Data. You can choose this and you can give a title and you can actually elaborate about your issue. Also, you need to understand this editor a bit. It actually supports pre-formatted text for code snippets. You can block to highlight certain part of the code. You can actually share the hyperlink, etc. This is called as Markdown editor. You can use this and you can make it make your issue a bit more readable by pre-formatting. Okay. So you can use this and you can create the topics. That being said, please sign up and try to use this platform as much as you can to interact with us and get your issues resolved. I am also actively working on creating a good team with at least 10 people in them, where those people are will be rewarded based upon their activity, so that you guys can get timely support on your issues. Hence, please join both discuss.itversity.com, and also if you want to get notifications for our free sessions, you can join this group also. Even if you do not join, you might not get the notification, but all the videos which we will be recording will be available both in YouTube for free and also on discuss.itversity.com for free. On discuss.itversity.com, you will also have some explanation about those videos. Okay. That being said, we will be glad to have you as part of our community forums, and let us work together to make this platform as reliable as possible.